are saying the origination of the company happened in 1967. Oh, beautiful. So how many dealers you have totally?
Actually, we have in Tamil Nadu only 10,000 plus customers we have.
10,000 plus
Customers in Tamil Nadu only.
Wonderful.
Then after 350 dealers plus in Tamil Nadu only.
Hey everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. So today we are in Salem, Tamil Nadu, and sir, location?
Attur.
Tamil Nadu, Salem. So this is our Tamilgan sir, Tamil from Tamil Nadu,
Yes.
Tamilgan sir. So sir, you tell me this. We are in Kanishka Organics, by the way. So I came here especially for observing fish amino acid. So we both went to the factory and he explained. So now you tell me detail about this Kanishka Organics. What are the products, everything to our audience.
First, good evening to everyone.
Yeah.
First of all, we know about the company. In 1967, from that time also we have company. That time.
So you are saying the origination of the company happened in 1967. Oh, beautiful.
From 2018, we entered into organic farming.
Wow.
Okay. Then we have totally 40 plus products.
Wow.
From organic and bio-fertilizers.
Good.
Okay, this is called Fish Amino Acid. From fish paste and jaggery. Mix both and kept it.
So what you're saying that fish wastage, which is from the market and all the industry in the wastage, adding with jaggery, and what you're doing?
Kept it 30 days.
30 days.
After
Fermentation.
31st day it will be ready.
Okay, so we are saying that the amino acid will be ready after 30 days.
30 days.
Okay, this is useful for?
It is used for only growth promoter. For good growth and it will give a good yield to you.
Okay.
Then after we will see the Panchagavya. This the 5 ingredients is taken from the cow. Like cow dung, cow urine, or buttermilk, or ghee. Like
so all the cow products are
all
taken.
cow products.
Okay.
It's also used for growth promoter, 75%. 25% used as a pesticide. It's controlled pest. Then after we see humic acid, it's only for growth root development, for like root crops, or carrot, or radish, or beetroot. Like this, all root crops it will better growth development. And then after it will see as a seaweed extract liquid. It's extract from seaweeds from sea. In this product, the flower drop is completely stop this product. Then after we will sell the cocoa combo.
So obviously in Tamil Nadu booming like coconut.
Yes, the
so what are the inside?
Micro and macro nutrients. From one coconut tree, whatever the nutrients are required, all complete required is there.
Okay. So how we like with mixture of water, everything?
Yeah. Mix with water, rinsing purpose.
These are all the organic. So especially I came here for Salem to observe how the fish amino acid are done the production. So I went there, everything I watched, including Tamilgan sir told, sir we will show you other products. So that's the reason. So how many dealers you have totally?
Actually, we have in Tamil Nadu only 10,000 plus customers we have.
10,000 plus
customers in Tamil Nadu only.
Wonderful.
Then after 350 dealers plus in Tamil Nadu only.
So basically what he said, like the main purpose of this video also, Tamil Nadu and Kerala are very well established. Like 1960s they started, 2008 they promoted the organic. English in the sense all over the world, like north or south, everywhere you can connect this Kanishka Organics, and you can come here, you can see the factory and you can use how the result, all that you can use it and know. And moreover the factory or the people say that it's organic, they mix the chemical also. But over here what I observed, everything is organic. You can come and experience. And you can connect on the description. I'm going to give the details on the screen also. And apart from that, you can giving the customer to customer and
customer to customer, B2B.
Like,
business to business. We will give dealership to those people.
Okay, business to customer and business to business also are giving.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you are having any kind of inquiry for that also, you can connect. So see you with another beautiful video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.